Hello friends, this video is about omnivorous animals name and pictures. For more educational and informative content, subscribe near education. Human, bear, raccoon, pig, chicken, crow, squirrel, rat, opossum, dog, cockroach, duck, tortoise, hedgehog, crab, turkey, goat, boar, deer mouse, chipmunk, parrot, myrtle warbler, fox, skunk, turtle, mynah bird, coati, wallaby, seagull, waxwing, grizzly bear, coyote, kinkajou, civet, raven, anteater, piranha, cassowary, mongoose, monitor lizard, gull, quail, sloth bear, panda, snapping turtle, peccary, starling, red fox, magpie,